Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see today, I'm going to be doing a quarantine at-home mani-pedi routine and showing you how I apply my press-on nails and make them last for up to 2 weeks. So if you're interested in seeing that, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do a quick at-home manicure before I apply my press-on nails. Maybe your nail salon is not open, or maybe you don't feel comfortable going with the whole pandemic and everything going on right now, and maybe your nails are screaming for some attention and some TLC. So I'm going to show you what I do to apply my press-on nails and make them last for up to 2 weeks. So I'm taking this nail decorator, which is a nail drill that you can get from Amazon. It's super duper cheap. It's not really expensive like most nail drills, and it just gets the job done, especially for a beginner or an amateur like myself. With using nail drills, the ones that are expensive are a bit intense. This one is not. It doesn't hurt at all, and if you do make a mistake, you're not going to cut your finger off. So I'm taking this tool right here, which is called the diamond cone, and it says that it has been designed to remove dead skin, corns, and calluses. So what I'm doing is removing the dead skin from around like the cuticle part of my nail, and you'll really see that it will like start to kick up some white stuff and really get that dead skin off. Then I'm taking the grinding barrel, which is used to flatten and smooth extra thick nails and rippled surfaces. I'm reading the directions that actually come with this nail decorator. It tells you what all the little tools do, and you can decide which one you want to use. So I'm just flattening and smoothing out the nail with this grinding barrel. That's what it's called, grinding barrel. So then I'm going to take the Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails. I found these at Walmart, and look how beautiful they are. Oh my gosh. So this is everything that comes in your press-on nail kits. Those were stickers that I just threw away. I don't really use the stickers to apply the nails. I like using the glue. And it also comes with like a little buffer nail file thing. One side's rough and the other side is smooth. So I go in with the rough side first on each nail just to really, you know, roughen them up, because that will make the press-on nail adhere to your nail better. And then I smooth it out with the buffer side, and I do that really well on each nail because that's what is going to make that press-on nail stick. Then I'm going in with this little cuticle pusher that also comes with the press-on nails, and I'm pushing my cuticles back. And then I'm going to take some Satin Hands. This is by Mary Kay, but if you have some type of hand cream, any hand cream will work. This is just the one that I have. And I'm going to rub that all over my nails and on my hands just to get all of the like dead skin and everything off of my hands, and just to soften them up. And you can see how nice they look. So if you're not applying press-on nails, you could actually stop after this step, which is applying some isopropyl alcohol, which is like 90% alcohol, on a cotton pad, and then rubbing that on the nails just to get any oil off. You want to remove any oils off of the bed of your nails before you go in with either nail polish if you're not applying press-on nails, or before you go in with the glue on top of the nail to put your press-on nails on. So we are applying press-on nails. So as you can see, I have all of the nails laid out. I recommend doing that so you can make sure you have the right size for each nail. And when they're different colors, you want to make sure that both hands coordinate nicely. So I just lay them out to make sure that everything looks good together. Both hands look good together. So as you can see, I have one hand completely done. So I'm going to show you what I actually do with this other hand. So I take the glue and I put a nice thin layer on the entire bed of my nail, my real nail. And you don't want to put too much, because when you press the fake nail on top of your real nail and there's too much glue, it will like spill out on the sides, and that's not cute. So I do put a thin layer on my real nail, and I do put a thin layer on the press-on nail, and then I press it into my the press-on nail into my real nail and hold it down for about 10 seconds. That is major key right there. You want to press the nail on and actually hold it there for about 10 seconds or more, so the nail will really adhere to your real nail, and that's what's going to make it really last. So for a finishing touch, I take this Emma Beauty Cuticle Zap, which is like a cuticle oil, and I just put that on the cuticle of each of my nails and rub it in, and that is going to give it, you know, just a little touch, and that's healthy for your cuticles, and that just makes it look really professional. And when you do these steps, guys, I promise your press-on nails are going to last, and they're going to look very professional. And here are the nails in some natural sunlight. As you can see, the rhinestones on these nails are beautiful, and they look really good. They look like I went to get my nails done. I love press-on nails, and I love Kiss press-on nails. They're everything. And look how the sun is bouncing off the rhinestones. It looks so beautiful. So now I'm going to show you how I do a pedicure. Time to move on to the feet. We cannot do one without the other. So this is a Conair Body Benefits like bubbling foot spa, and I got it off of Amazon. It will be linked below. And these are all of the products that I use. I use coconut oil. I have my little manicure set. I have pumice stone, the colors that I'm going to use for my actual nails. Then I have this whole Dr. Teal's collection here. I love Dr. Teal's. It's affordable. You can get it at Walmart, and it works really good. I have some body wash. I have some pure Epsom salt soaking solution, and also some foot scrub from Dr. Teal's, and I love all of their products. Really, really going to make our feet so extra super soft. So I'm taking the pure Epsom salt first, and I'm just putting a thin layer in the bottom of my foot spa, and then I'm taking a what are those things called? A Kool-Aid pitcher? I always call them Kool-Aid pitchers. A Kool-Aid pitcher full of warm water, and I'm just going to put that in the bottom of the foot spa. Then I'm just going to put a couple of little squeezes, little pumps of the body wash just to soften the water up even more and create some bubbles. And then I'm going to turn on the foot spa. This thing creates its own bubbles, and there's a lot of bubbles, so do not put that much body wash in at all, or it will overflow with bubbles. And then I'm taking the oil, some like body oil, and I'm going to put that in there too, just to soften up our feet and soften up the water even more. And I'm just going to sit here for about 15 minutes with my feet in there, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and move on with the foot scrub. Then I'm going to take the pumice stone, and I'm going to scrub my heel very well, because that's where I get a lot of like crust or dead skin back there. So I really take a pumice stone and go in on it just so it gets nice and smooth. And this is like a foot scrubber too, so I go all over my feet with that too. Then I'm going to take some coconut oil. This is amazing. I love putting coconut oil on my feet. I'm going to take a generous amount and just smooth it all over my entire foot, the bottom, the top, everywhere. And that's really, really going to soften up that skin. Then I'm taking that nail decorator again, and I'm doing those same 2 steps that I did on my nails, taking that diamond cone and the grinding barrel. And then the final touch was just to take some cuticle oil again, and then I painted my nails. I used the Emma Beauty blue nail polish. It's actually called Shake, Shake, Shake. So that's what I used, and yeah, that's the finished look with the toes. Everything is looking good. I feel like a new woman once I get all done with my nails and my toenails. It just really will, you know, lift your spirits during this time if you're stuck in the house or if you're bored or whatever. Just self-care is so important, especially in times like these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye.